Hi everyone, again about this app, earn cash and crypto reward and prizes for playing games, answering survey, play casual and games and complete survey from money with free cash. Free cash is the easy to use game reward app that lets you play games, win prizes and earn reward like gift card and crypto and more. Play and casual games you love. They take a survey and make money and earn cash reward all in one app with free cash. With free cash you can make money by earning Bitcoin and amazing Amazon and gift card and more. Just be completing surveys or playing your favorite casual games. Best of all, free cash user can earn around 70.53 per day with a first coin cash out after only 70 minutes and 60 seconds playing in prize play and epic games rewards in our night around the corner when you and sign off for free cash